Guys, welcome back to Drone Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. Today we're in a place called Hilly Fields. We are in Lewisham in South East London, so yeah, it's a nice sunny day in late September. Without further ado, we are going to now take off. Right, the drone is now in the sky. We're now just going to carry on going up. Need to make sure we carry on going up. So this is what it looks like from below. This is me, where I'm flying from. So let's get a 360 view, then we're going to do a 360 degree photo. Alright, 360 degree photo is now complete. Let's just zip around. So, what should we explore first? Let's get a 360 view of this area. So as you can see down here, that's actually the Crystal Palace transmitting tower. We're going to go towards it, but obviously we're not going to go that far. From here, it looks like my drone can easily reach it because of how large it is. But it's so far away. So let's just go down and just look what's down here. It's just trees and pretty much that's all there is. It's like a forest. Broccoli, we're in an area called Broccoli. Let's just keep going down. And let's see what's down there. Look at that. We're just going to keep going down for as far as we can go. Look at that, that is a nice, get a straight down shot. Then we're going to come back to the hills after. That is an amazing shot. We'll just stay around here now. Get a nice static shot. Let's get a shot of these cars coming back. We're near Panoramic Park. It's crazy. It's not far from where Broccoli is. So without further ado, we're just now going to head back to the hill. Get a nice shot, come back. Look at that, we've got trains right here as well. Actually amazing, look at that. So I've pretty much done drone flights all over London. Like, I haven't done a drone flight in Lewisham yet, but I've marked pretty much I flew in 20 boroughs in London, my drone. I've made a list of how many boroughs I actually flew my drone in, and I've flown in 20 boroughs. I put a list down. I've made a list to see how many boroughs, and this is my 21st borough in London. I'm going to try and find more boroughs that I've not flown in. So yeah, I'm going to try and get a drone fly in every single London borough. Obviously some boroughs have restrictions as well, which makes it harder to fly. So yeah, let's get a tour of this there's a building over here. I can't see it in the drone, but I can see it in real life right here. We'll try and go towards that little building over here. Got a nice 360 shot of it. Wow, look at that. This is literally the end of September. It's literally not too warm and not too cold. Best weather. Can't beat it. What we're going to do, we're going to go lower down because I can see that clearly. Look at that, that's an amazing shot. Gonna make sure we stay in the middle. Look at that. So you've got a tour of the bus right here as well. Let's try and go close to it. Let's see what's on top of it. Look at that, that's crazy. Look how close we can get to it. We're gonna get a shot of the bus going past. Alright, where else can we go fly? We'll try and fly to literally the other side of the park. And I come over to the park, and that's actually the main area of the town centre. I'll try and go there. So we've got a house over here as well. Let's get a tour of this house. So look at that. Let's get a nice tour of this building over here. Look at that, that's an amazing shot. What we'll do now, we'll actually go to the town centre of where Lewisham is, so I'm going to fly over to where I am, and I'm going to take my bike over to the other side. Keep going down. Stay here. To be honest, I'm not getting really much of a good shot here. What we will do, we'll turn around and get a nice shot of this area down there. Let's get a shot of the town centre. Stay around there.
Maybe like peak summertime. It's been like a month. We've been back here.
Thing is, there's trees here, so I'm trying to see if my drone will go behind the tree. It probably will, so I'm gonna go a bit further. See, I've got clear sight of the town centre now. Let's just keep going down actually while we're here. Look at that shot, that is amazing. That is an amazing shot. So this is the town centre of Lewisham, as you can see. Let's get a shot of that.
Oh, here.
Look at that, that's an amazing shot. Got buses over here. Just look at that, we're just going to stay here for a while. Look at that, we can get a nice shot here. Let's go towards this little building over here. Actually, we're gonna go a bit too far if we go there. No, actually no, we're fine. If we go there, we've got clear sight of it. Look at that shot. That is an amazing. Now we can do, we can go a little bit lower. We'll try and get the middle right in the shot. Then what we'll do, we'll get a shot of Lewisham, the town centre. We'll check the area down here as well. We'll just explore the area, town centre area. And as we do, we'll come back. Look at that shot. We'll get a backwards shot instead. Actually, we'll go to where we were before. And we get a sideways shot as we do that. What we'll do now, let's turn around and see what we can get. That is an amazing shot. Then we'll get a shot of the area down here in this park. So looks like a little park over here. Let's just get a 360 shot of it. So as you can see, it's pretty much the start of autumn right now, and it's just literally the best weather that we can get. What we can do, we can get a shot of this area down here towards London. We'll go a little bit towards London. Look at that, we've got a nice shot going towards here. Then we'll head back. You can see the Thames, you can see Canary Wharf, you can see the O2, you can see pretty much everything here. Let's not go too far, we're going to start heading back in a bit. We'll stay around there. It's a really nice hilly area, this place. What we'll do, we'll just go a little bit down here. What we'll do, we'll land the drone now. You know what, I got a good idea. We'll get a nice low down shot of this area down here. So I'm just trying to see the actual drone so we can get actual sick footage. So check this out, we're gonna go in sports mode right over here. 3, 2, 1. Gonna go right over the treetops. Look at that shot, that is amazing. And what we'll do the same in reverse. Come in reverse, we'll come back. We'll get a nice shot of landing. And I'm recording on the action cam. Look how fast it's coming, literally. That is so sick. Oh, right. So that was my amazing drone flight here in Lewisham in southeast London. I hope you enjoyed this footage, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.